Welcome back to Deco Bloom. Today we are stepping inside a beautifully curated small apartment that proves you do not need endless square footage to achieve timeless Parisian elegance. From the living room to the bathroom, every corner of this home showcases subtle luxury through quality materials, thoughtful lighting, and that effortlessly chic French aesthetic. Let us explore together. One of the most effective ways to add warmth and visual interest to a small apartment is through layered textiles. Here, a natural jute rug serves as the foundation, topped with a beautifully faded vintage Persian rug that anchors the seating arrangement. This layering technique not only softens acoustics in compact spaces, but also creates depth and personality. The warm 3-layer lighting system includes an ambient ceiling fixture, a task floor lamp positioned beside the reading chair, and a subtle picture light highlighting artwork, all working together to create a cozy, sophisticated atmosphere. Mirrors are absolute magic in small Parisian apartments, and this oversized gilded antique piece demonstrates why. Positioned above a slim console table, this statement mirror reflects the warm layered lighting throughout the room, visually doubling the space and bouncing natural light into darker corners. The console is styled with classic Parisian touches, a lush bouquet of white peonies, carefully stacked art books, and a small tray of elegant perfume bottles. The combination of ornate wall molding, neutral plaster walls, and dark wood floors creates a salon-style setting that feels both timeless and luxurious. Transform even the smallest corner into a charming breakfast retreat with this cafe-inspired setup. A round marble-topped bistro table paired with 2 cane-back chairs instantly evokes left bank Parisian mornings. Style it simply with a petite vase of fresh tulips and a linen napkin holding warm croissants. The layered lighting approach includes an ambient ceiling pendant, task lighting near the coffee station, and an accent sconce spotlighting a small gallery wall. Sheer curtains filter soft morning light, while muted cream and grayish tones create the perfect backdrop for slow, leisurely coffee rituals that define Parisian living. Texture is essential in achieving quiet luxury, and this Grasscloth accent wall demonstrates the principle beautifully. The natural, handcrafted quality of Grasscloth or linen-textured wallpaper adds warmth and sophistication without overwhelming a small space. Paired with a tailored ivory sofa, a soft boucle ottoman, and a slim brass floor lamp, this living room feels both contemporary and timeless. The 3-layer lighting strategy includes ambient ceiling glow, a dedicated task reading lamp, and accent uplights that emphasize the tactile beauty of the Grasscloth texture, creating dimension and depth throughout the evening hours. The entryway sets the tone for your entire apartment, and the sleek console proves that function and beauty can coexist perfectly. With hidden drawers concealing everyday clutter, the marble-topped console with brass pulls maintains a clean, elegant appearance. A round mirror above reflects the 3-layer lighting, ambient ceiling fixture, a practical table lamp for sorting keys and mail, and accent wall washers highlighting architectural molding. A woven umbrella stand, small upholstered bench, and a neutral runner complete this welcoming entry that makes coming home feel like stepping into a boutique hotel. Luxury is often found in the details, and these floor-to-ceiling curtains and warm, ivory linen demonstrate how fabric can transform a space. Softly pooling on herringbone floors, the drapery adds height, elegance, and texture while cleverly concealing storage behind. The three-layer lighting creates drama, ambient ceiling glow provides overall illumination, a task lamp sits on a narrow console for practicality, and accent sconces cast rhythmic shadows along the fabric's folds. A vintage-framed print and brass hook rail add functional elegance to this corridor, proving that even transitional spaces deserve thoughtful design attention. First impressions matter, and this refined entry demonstrates how premium flooring materials elevate the entire apartment experience. Polished marble, or terrazzo, creates a distinct arrival zone that transitions beautifully into the living spaces beyond. A slim black metal shoe cabinet keeps the area tidy, while a petite antique chair provides a practical perch. The lighting design includes ambient ceiling fixtures, a focused task spotlight over the key tray, and accent strip lighting that grazes and highlights the floor's beautiful texture. A tall arched mirror and a single olive tree in a stone pot complete this elegant, welcoming threshold. Dining in small spaces requires smart furniture choices, and this oval walnut table proves the point perfectly. The elongated oval shape allows for intimate gatherings without sharp corners that interrupt flow. 4 upholstered linen chairs provide comfort and softness, while a low centerpiece of white flowers keeps sight lines open across the table. The warm 3-layer lighting includes an ambient chandelier casting gentle glow, task lighting from a nearby buffet lamp, and accent sconces highlighting the panel molding. Brass cutlery and a linen runner add subtle luxury touches that make every meal feel special and considered. Nothing captures Parisian elegance quite like the perfect chandelier, and this dining space shows how lighting can become the room's defining feature. Whether you choose ornate crystal for classic glamour or sculptural brass for contemporary edge, a statement chandelier transforms a simple dining table into something spectacular. The 3-layer approach includes the chandelier's ambient glow, task lighting from candle-like table lamps on the sideboard, and accent picture lights illuminating framed art. Polished wood floors, pale walls with delicate molding, and a vintage mirror create the perfect backdrop for intimate dinner parties with champagne-toned sophistication. Modern Parisian kitchens embrace the quiet luxury principle of hiding utilitarian elements behind beautiful design. This kitchen features integrated appliances concealed within seamless soft grayish cabinetry with minimal handles, creating clean, uninterrupted lines. A small island with waterfall stone edges adds both workspace and visual drama. The three-layer lighting includes ambient ceiling spots for overall brightness, task under cabinet lighting illuminating prep surfaces, and accent shelf lighting showcasing curated ceramics and objects. An unlacquered brass faucet and pale zellige tile backsplash add warmth and character, while fresh herbs in a simple vase bring life to this sophisticated cooking space. Open kitchen shelving is both practical and beautiful when thoughtfully styled with personality. This compact kitchen features floating wooden shelves displaying an edited collection of elegant ceramics, wine glasses, and a few treasured antique copper pans. Below, a marble counter hosts a small espresso machine for daily rituals. The lighting layers include ambient ceiling glow for general illumination, task LED strips under shelves brightening the work surface, and an accent spotlight drawing attention to the pottery collection. Aged brass hardware and a linen tea towel add softness, while a simple cafe curtain at the window filters light beautifully throughout the day. The bedroom should be a sanctuary of calm, and this Parisian-inspired space achieves serenity through thoughtful textile layering. A low-platform bed dressed in Egyptian cotton sheets, a linen duvet, and a cashmere throw creates an invitation to rest. The three-layer lighting design includes a dimmed ambient ceiling fixture for soft overall glow, task bedside lamps perfect for evening reading, and accent wall sconces that graze artwork above the headboard. Cream plaster walls with subtle molding, herringbone flooring, and a single vase of fresh roses complete this restful retreat where neutral earth tones and quality materials define quiet luxury. For a truly unique bedroom focal point, consider using a vintage mantel shelf as an unconventional headboard. This architectural salvage piece creates instant character, styled with framed sketches, elegant taper candles, and a small antique clock that adds both function and charm. The warm three-layer lighting includes ambient ceiling glow for overall illumination, a practical task lamp on the bedside table, and an accent picture light that washes the mantel display with gentle emphasis. Neutral linens, a plush area rug, and elegant wall molding create a romantic atmosphere that feels both collected and intentional, perfect for the Parisian aesthetic. Bathroom design in small apartments requires smart visual tricks, and this walk-in shower demonstrates continuity perfectly. Large-format stone-look tiles wrap seamlessly from floor to walls, eliminating visual breaks and making the space feel significantly larger. A frameless glass enclosure maintains openness while containing water. The three-layer lighting includes ambient ceiling illumination, dedicated task vanity, lighting at the mirror for grooming, and accent niche lighting within the shower itself. Brass shower hardware adds warmth, while fluffy white towels, a small plant, and a single candle create a spa-like atmosphere that transforms daily routines into moments of self-care and luxury. Classic design never goes out of style, and this charming bathroom celebrates timeless Parisian elegance through carefully chosen vintage-inspired elements. A white pedestal sink paired with brass faucet and an oval brass-framed mirror creates an instantly sophisticated focal point. The three-layer lighting approach includes ambient ceiling glow for overall brightness, task sconces flanking the mirror for shadow-free grooming, and accent lighting highlighting a small framed art print. Marble flooring, soft beige walls, neatly folded towels, and a glass apothecary jar complete this intimate space where cottage charm meets subtle luxury, proving that small bathrooms can still feel extraordinarily special and refined. And there you have it, 20 inspiring ways to bring Parisian elegance and subtle luxury into your small apartment. From layered rugs and statement mirrors to brass fixtures and textured walls, these details prove that size does not limit style. If you enjoyed this tour, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Deco Bloom for more design inspiration, and let me know in the comments which room idea you loved most. Thank you for watching.